So, you're thinking about joining the Chartered Institute of Marketing. Great. Wherever you are in your marketing career, we're here to help you grow. So, what are the benefits of membership? We can build on the foundations of your knowledge, as well as keeping you ahead of the latest marketing trends and techniques. In a demanding marketing role, it's good to know that you can get easy access to expert support and advice whenever you need it. As a member, you can make new contacts at every level in our industry through our local, national and international networks. All our membership services are designed to help you grow, from career development advice to inspirational events. Plus, our Chartered CPD program provides a framework to take control of your own development and is the only route to achieve Chartered Marketer status, an accolade that can only be awarded by the Chartered Institute of Marketing. Okay, now you're sold and you're ready to get on board. CIM membership is open to anyone who has an interest in marketing. You might be a student aiming to get into marketing, or a senior marketer looking for the latest industry insights. There's a membership grade for everyone. Many new members start their membership journey as an affiliate and see where it takes them. Some members like to use our official letters on their business cards and email sign-off. Joining the Chartered Institute of Marketing means you're joining a local, national and international marketing community. Founded in 1911, we're proud to support our members worldwide. Join us today.